what generally is Verasity in a truly significant manner by moving towards the all-out discussion over the sort of token as per the nuances. The very fundamental work of this association for the most part is to make pay for its clients all around the planet in an unobtrusive manner. Certainly the beautiful head inspiration driving this association is to essentially give immense advantage to the clients who own this in their portfolio, or so they thought. The trailblazer name of this association isn't yet available, and with fundamentally C's taking everything into account, we will invigorate the information very soon. For the most part, in opposition to prevalent thinking here fundamentally is the expense frame, which basically is influential for the coin Verworth figure. As of now, the expense of this association by and large is 0.04448, which explicitly is very huge, so you can sort of expect the expense of this emblematic will explicitly show up at levels in the very looming days. In an unobtrusive way, the expense of this emblematic will generally be extended when its market cap rises, which by and large is genuinely critical. There truly is a giant opportunity that its market cap will climb with time, because its inspiration certainly is most certainly such a ton of energy, and directly following knowing the explanation, everybody will endeavor to place assets into this token. Generally here fundamentally is the succinct information about the representative. You will generally love it and need to place assets into this extremely token, especially VRA future worth assumption 2022. In the year 2022, you will the emblematic will sort of cause an uproar in and out of town of 01 in an unobtrusive manner. To be sure, there truly is colossal possibility that you will this emblematic hitting this target very soon. The interest of this truly token basically is continually rising, which especially is very huge. The amount of clients all around the planet explicitly is moreover climbing with extraordinary flood in a quite enormous manner, while there fundamentally are remaining years moreover open in this article, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Veracity worth figure 2023. In the year 2023, you will sort of see there is enormous chance that you will see this representative causing a commotion in and out of town of 08 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. You will for the most part see when Etiquette shows up at this truly worth, then you will in a real sense get gigantic flood in you hypothesis balance too. In a genuinely huge manner. Veracity worth measure 2024. Examining the year 2024, then we want to basically tell you in every practical sense that there especially is monstrous conceivable outcomes that you will see the in every practical sense worth of this emblematic generally stirred things up around town worth above 1 in a fundamentally large manner. The goal is 15 in the year 2024, and there generally is no doubt about this objective in a fundamentally significant manner. Let move to the accompanying conjecture. VRA worth assumption 2025. In the year 2025, you will for the most part help colossal advantage through this town in a genuinely large manner. For sure, unquestionably you will especially be floored at this point. As per the data, you will truly see the sort of worth of 25 in a huge manner right when the representative shows up at this sort of worth. Then you will especially see you will get excellent advantage over most certainly your investment in a very significant manner. Veracity worth assumption 2026, as we expecting you in a real sense are essentially intrigued to acknowledge about what will truly be the vacui of this very token after the length of 5 years in a significant manner. Then we want to allow you by and large to realize that there is gigantic possibility that the representative will hit Terragard 5 in the year 2026. In an unpretentious way, you will explicitly see an enormous advantage which is very huge, so you especially acknowledge that this especially token can hit these VA. Then you can in a real sense put assets into it now, which is genuinely huge. Final words, you can explicitly place assets into this computerized cash through any reasonable exchanges. Currently it in every practical sense is available at various exchanges, which generally is very huge. Expecting you could basically need to know where to buy Veracity. The top exchanges for trading Veracity sort of are at this point OKEX, KuCoin, ZT, Hitcoin, Gatio. In a quite large way, You can generally find others recorded on our crypto exchanges page. An inconspicuous way Verasity worth check for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We anticipate future VRA cost assumptions Verasity guesses by applying significant fake advancing extremely concentrated examination on the undeniable worth data of Verasity. We especially give a courageous work to assemble most noteworthy certain data for the VRA coin, which integrate various factors like pretty past worth, market cap, volume, and that's just a glimpse of something larger. Accepting that you sort of are wanting to basically place assets into cryptographic currency market, try to scrutinize our assumptions by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. Verasity worth assumption for 2022. According to our check in 2022, the expense of Verasity should really reach a kind of the least worth degree of 0.0005. Which is very critical. The VRA cost can show up at an undoubtedly outrageous especially worth of 0.006, with the normal trading cost of 0.006, in a genuinely huge manner. Verasity worth assumption for 2023, as per the gauge cost, and certainly particular assessment in 2023, the expense of Verasity essentially is expected to arrive at in some measure truly worth of 0.008. The VRA cost can really show up at a most outrageous level of 0.009, with the regular trading cost of 0.009, in a significant manner. Verasity worth figure 2024-2025, the expense of Verasity is expected to reach essentially level of 0.012 in 2024. The Verasity cost can in a real sense show up at a biggest level of 0.015, with a normal expense of 0.013 all through 2024. In an unobtrusive manner, the expense of Verasity is expected to reach basically level of 0.019 in 2025. The Verasity cost can by and large show up at a most kind of outrageous level of 0.021. With the commonplace expense of 0.019 all through 2025, in a sort of enormous manner of raw worth assumption for 2026, Verasity cost really is guessed to generally show up at a most negligible level of 0.028 in 2026 or so. They by and large thought, as per our disclosures, the VRA cost could in every way that really matters show up at a biggest level of 0.032. With the common figure cost of 0.029 VRA worth assumption for 2027. According to our sort of particular assessment on irrefutable worth data of VRA in 2027, the expense of Verasity in a real not entirely settled to in every practical sense, be at around a base, all things considered worth of 0.041, in an unpretentious way. The Verasity and incentive in every practical sense worth can sort of show up at a constraint of 0.050, with the ordinary trading all things considered